So here we go now with part B on page 140. Hopefully you already watched part A. It says if Megan uses 520 milliliters of apple juice to make the fruit punch, find the volume of orange juice that she uses. So we have 520 of the apple juice. This is actually easier than the last one. Apple juice is on the top. That's 520. And we want to know, therefore, what the orange juice is. That missing number right there. How many times do we multiply 4 to get 520? We can figure that out by just doing a division problem. 4 times what is 520? 4 times 1, that becomes 4. I call that 400. 120. 4 times 30 is 120. So we multiplied by 130 to get the 520. So we have to multiply the 3 by 130 as well. 2 times 130 is 260. And 3 times 130 is 390. Or 3 times 13 is 39. So 3 times 130 is 390. So the answer to B is 390 milliliters.